Today, I'm going to be talking to you about pills. Not medical pills though, electronic pills. We're going to be talking about the RAPT pill for monitoring your beer fermentation. Let's get started. The RAPT pill is basically a real-time electronic hydrometer. The concept is quite simple. It's basically a plastic capsule that on the inside has a little infrared computer that is monitoring the buoyancy of the actual unit itself. So this thing's calibrated to a specific gravity, like, water, and then everything outside of that, it kind of knows what the actual gravity is. The same way that you would with a manual traditional hydrometer, except this one's electronic, so it can feed you that information in real time. The really clever part about this is it means that you can troubleshoot a little more easily when you're doing fermentations, because if you get a stall with your fermenter, or if things have progressed really quickly and you're trying to understand if it's actually finished fermenting, this can give you that gauge without having to pull a sample and without having to open up the fermenter if you're fermenting with buckets or anything like that. So it's a pretty cool little gadget to tell you something you could do manually, but aren't electronics just always a little bit of fun to have as a toy? Just before we start showing you how this thing actually works and start using it in a fermenter, it's worth noting there is one quick thing you should do besides making sure that it's calibrated. Just pull it apart. Well, actually, before you pull it apart, tighten it all the way up over the second O-ring, then make a marker with like a biro or something like that. After you've done so, fully open it up, and then do that same marking on the inside of both parts of the pill. So you do a little one on the inside there, a little one on the inside there, so that way every single time you tighten it up, you can line up those two marking lines so that you tighten it up to the exact same tightness every single time. The reason why that's important is because if you tighten it up slightly differently here or there, it can affect the actual sensitivity of the equipment, and you'll get slightly out of calibration readings. So quick little tip to actually make it work more effectively. This video, by the way, is not sponsored. If you do want to find one of these pills, we'll put a link down below in the description, but it was kind of sponsored by my father-in-law. So thank you very much to censored name, because I didn't ask if you wanted me to say your name. But after you actually get this thing out of the box, the setup is a little finicky, but simple enough if you follow the steps. So connect it through Wi-Fi, click the RAPT pill in the options on the drop-down list in your Wi-Fi, and then follow those steps to actually get it connected to your account. Then you can click calibration after you've charged it for a full 24 hours to get the battery really red hot and ready to run. And after that, you are ready to start rocking and roll. And once you have done so, you get graphs that get fed out in real time like this. So this is going to tell us our specific gravity at any point in time, as well as the temperature of the fermenter as it goes through the process. So now that we have actually done our setup and our calibration, let's throw this into a fermenter so we can start getting some pretty graphs. Before you go throwing it into your wort, just make sure you give it a nice sanitizer bath. This is just a glass of Stella Sand solution so we don't go infecting our brand new wort. You might recognize this from last week. This is the Irish Red Ale that we brewed for St. Patrick's Day. So we spoke about it last week that we're going to talk about this week, and in it goes. Now I'm going to hit start on my phone and start monitoring the progress of this fermentation so that we can get a live reading and a very pretty graph about how fast this went, what numbers it hit when, and all that good stuff that you'll see quite shortly. Now fermentation on that red ale is finally done, and as you'll see in the graph showing up on this page right now, fermentation was basically flat out finished in about 2 days. Primary went extremely quickly, and I had a lot of fun personally just whipping out my phone every now and then and having a look at this fermentation progress. So you notice that on the graph it was measuring gravity, temperature, velocity of fermentation if you want to, as well as ABV obviously. And I actually didn't know that this pill would do temperature until we started using it, which is a very nice surprise. I think it's very, very cool, but is it worth it? Yes, in my opinion. It's not necessary, it's not absolutely essential. You can, of course, measure gravity the manual way, pulling out samples and using a hydrometer or using a refractometer, but boy, is it fun. And that's kind of the point of homebrewing. We don't do things because they have to be done this way or because this is the right way to do it or you can do it this way. We do things the fun way that we enjoy. It's not a cheap hobby once you start buying all this stainless steel and toys and stuff, but we kind of know that getting into it. And this is one of those toys that, yes, I probably wouldn't have bought for myself, but now that I have one, I want a second one, and I'm gonna go and get another one because I wanna monitor all my different fermentations with this pill now so I can look at these real-time readouts, because it's It's fun, and it's also a lot of more convenient than the traditional method. Now when I'm running, say, a double IPA or something like that, and I'm wondering when I need a dry hop, I can just whip my phone out, check the gravity based on the RAPT Pill, and that's gonna give me a pretty rough gauge when I'm nearing final gravity and I need to throw in my dry hops without having to pull out a sample and potentially contaminate a batch with oxygen or things like that. So no, it's not absolutely essential, but man, it's so much fun, and I highly recommend that you guys check one out. And again, this video was not sponsored. I just think it's a really, really fun little gadget, and I'll drop a link down below on where you can find it. Now, next week on this channel, we are going to be doing a new American beer, and your hint for this one, think American lawnmower beer. That's what I picture with this particular one. Let me know in the comments down below if you can guess what the style is going to be, and we'll catch you guys next week. Cheers.